After 4 long months on the hard, rebuilding our Amel Super Maramu, we take a much needed break and visit a tourist island for the day. All 4 of us. We also start to pack up, as work and babies awaits.
Rest assured that we're not going anywhere.
But not to worry, we'll be back on Merewether before you know it.
Hoi hoi hoi!
Good morning!
What's going on?
Oh, today we are going on a little field trip.
Adventure time.
We are getting away from the marina and we are going in the water.
Hopefully, some page.
Well, some page.
Some page, some stage.
We've been here for approximately 4 months? 4 months?
4 months.
And we have not been in the water yet, and it's just extremely not like us, and I'm just craving to be in that salt water. So today we're going to Panor Island.
For anybody who doesn't know, Panor Island it's one of the most expensive kind of holiday spots around this area. And every day we see all these people flooding over on a ferry to this island, and we're like, we got to do this sometime.
Yeah.
And we've got 1 week left here in Malaysia. Isabel's parents are here, which is amazing. So we're going over with them today to go check out this tourist spot, and man, I'm looking forward to it.
Yes.
Bit of a break from the boatyard.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, it's gonna be so nice. Just going in the water. I'm gonna loving it. Oh, and it's gonna be the first time as well.
Woo, look out. Look out, rub the belly. Rub the belly.
Yeah, so we're gonna catch a ferry pretty soon.
Let's go.
Meet my parents.
Okay, they get it.
We felt like proper tourists, taking the ferry over to the vacation spot on Panor Island. But we were really loving it. Taking a break from the life on the hard was well and truly deserved after 4 months of struggling in the heat. Good morning, everyone! Yes, I just woke up. Yes, this is my puffy face in the morning. It is bright and early. Kieran and my dad is already at the boat. This is sadly, well, yes, the last full day we're gonna have here on the boat in the yard. We have a packed day ahead. We're going to pack Merewether up and move out of this apartment and pack to go to Australia. It feels very, very surreal. I don't really want to leave. I mean, this is our home, and it's kind of sad to leave. There's so many things going on, and you want to be a part of it, and you want to, just be there and help and be a part of the process. I'm gonna wrap this up. My mom's waiting for me at the lobby, and let's get going. Hello. Have you been waiting long? Let's go. Let's go. Good morning.
Morning. Right now we're just setting up the aircon so it works while we're away. Yesterday we removed all the old oil out of the C drive and we changed the wear out bushing, and so today we've just gone through and topped up. We've put the oil back into the C drive so no air or rust could happen while we're away.
Beautiful. Good job. Good morning.
Morning!
How are you?
Very good.
nice and toasty already. Let me get in the light. So, I think, we can assist Kieran, but pretty much what we're gonna do today is covering up all the mattresses and the cushions because they're gonna come in here and work. The fiberglasser still has 2 spots where he needs to patch up, and the carpenter is also gonna come in the master bedroom to fix the framework for our enormous, beautiful bed. So yeah, they're gonna go back and forth. So we're just gonna, I don't know, tidy up and cover the nice cushions so that they don't get ruined. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we might lend a hand for Kieran for anything he needs to do down in the engine room. Yeah, let's see.
Hola.
Yeah, a little bit more protected. Yep. What are you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing?
Oh.
I would say you should have these on.
Yeah, I'll put them on now. Yeah.
You're locking us in.
I'm just getting the aircon set up for while we're away.
Outside.
Sorry?
Outside.
Yeah, so what's been happening is the aircon releases water out of it, and that water goes into the sump and it fills up the sump, and the sump pump has been not trustworthy, let's just put it that way. So we're putting the aircon outside so it drains into the cockpit, which drains off the boat and not into the sump. So that's the story.
Feels really, really strange. Next time we'll come back here. There's gonna be a bed frame. I'm gonna put the bed on. I'm gonna sleep here. That feels amazing. But we are not gonna sleep, just the 2 of us. We're gonna be having our 2 babies next to us, and yeah, hopefully she'll be ready to put in the water. The engine hopefully will be in, and the mast. That's really like the 2 major things that needs to be in place before we put her on the water. The other things like painting and buffering and that we can really do when she's in the water. So that would just be incredible if we can put her in the water when we get back. But let's see. I'm a bit sad, to be honest, but it's gonna be good. Hello, Captain.
Hello, first mate.
How you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're not a bit sad to leave Merewether?
Yeah. Actually, I'm looking forward to getting away, to be honest.
Yeah?
4 months in this boatyard has been, well, it's worn on me. The last few weeks, it's kind of like really getting to me a bit. So a bit of a change of scenery and back to work for a bit, make a bit of money, and yeah, I think just kind of it'll be good for us. And the mast is still months away, so there's no reason for us to be here. You know, we've done a lot. We could do some more, but I think it'd be much more efficient for us to be working. So the reason we're going home, the reason this is all happening, it's coming up to Christmas, so it's now the end of November. I have a shutdown which I do 4 times a year. So I need to go to Australia to do this shutdown. It's a mining thing. They pay a lot of money for, you know, a week of work. So we thought, you know what, why don't we just stay in Australia while this mast is being made, while the engine's being redone. We'll just stay in Australia, have Christmas there, and hopefully have the babies there. If we can't have the babies in Australia, then we'll go to Sweden. And so after that, that's when we'll get back to the boat, and that's when we'll finally, hopefully, be dropping in the water and have everything sorted.
And the crewmates are ready.
The crewmates.
And the crewmates are ready to go on the boat again.
Yeah.
Or again. Well, I guess they're technically on the boat now.
They're in the water, that's for sure.
So right now we just pulled the bow thruster down for the first time. Very exciting stuff. A lot of crap coming down. Ooh, look at that! It even spins. Wow, there's so much plastic on it. It's terrible. I'm not sure if it's working, to be honest. On Merewether, we never used a bow thruster anyway, so we're used to not using it. But it's obviously good to have it working. So here it is.
Wow. Look at that. Oh, is that all gunk and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's very crispy when you put it down.
nasty.
Yeah.
Nasty. And then just quickly brush it to the right, just tap it to the right, and then take a second and then tap it to the left. We just want to test the bow thruster to make sure it works. Thank you! Woo.
Got some force in that.
Let's get some power. Did you turn it off after you finished? Yeah, beautiful. I'm just going to play around with it now.
Yeah, go away from there.
He's turned it off.
Alright.
And that is it, guys.
Oh, pretty sad now.
Well, it for a while. So we're not going to be sure when we're going to be uploading next. We're probably definitely not going to be uploading on a regular basis.
Yeah.
So we just want to let you guys know that we are going to be back.
Yes.
Just rest assured that we're not going anywhere.
No.
It's just that we have to go and work.
Deliver some babies.
Deliver a couple of babies. Spend some Christmas with some family.
Yeah.
If we find an opportunity to film,
Something interesting to film.
we'll try and take advantage of it, and it probably won't be about sailing,
No.
but it will be about our lives. So
if you're interested in that,
we hope
tune
you,
into that.
yeah, we hope you tune into that.
Yeah, yeah. In a couple of months, we're gonna be back here. Very exciting stuff.
Yep, yep. Very much looking forward to getting the mast on, engine in the water.
All right, guys.
Out of here.
Stick with us, and we'll be back shortly.
Cheers.